looking for food or what? Of the flying from tree to one tree, yeah? Looking for food. Right. Nice one, right? Looking for what? Finding a twigs bag, yeah. Or finding a food. Or finding a food bag. Wait. There. Dun, 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 dun. Finding. Too close, right? We're lucky we found a nice yellow bird. Okay. Okay. Two of them. Two of them on the tree. Two yellow birds. So cute. Nice. See, the bed is here. Ayun talaga. Where's the bed? Where's the bed? And the other one? Where's the other one? Eh? Where's the other one there? Okay. Really wants to eat these big pieces of something. It's a fruit of the tree, yeah? Enjoy him there. Don't drop it. Wow. Why he did that to soften it. Okay, we did it. Enjoy your food.